Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through a simple and easy step on how to open HFM account. If you're new to trading or starting with HFM, then this is step-by-step guide to help you get started with no time. So let's just jump right into it. Step 1. Click the first link that you see in the description of this video. Once you do that, the home page will load. You will see a very big green button that says register. Click on it. So that's step 1. Nice and easy. Now, let's move on to the next step. Once the registration page loans, you need to fill a quick and easy form. This includes your country of residence, email, and then creating a strong password for your account. Make sure that your passwords meet all security requirements. Once that's done, agree to the policy terms and hit register. Now, check your email. You should receive activation email to verify and activate your account. Now, once you have verified your email, you'll have the options continue using the mobile app or a web browser. Choose whichever works best for you, and let's move with the setup. Next, you'll be redirected to the My HF area. Here you need to fill your personal details, your first and last name, date of birth, country of birth, phone number, and gender. Once that's done, select your default account currency. This is super important as it will be used for your wallet. Then confirm that you are not a US citizen, agree with the terms and conditions, and click continue. Great. Now, in the next section, you need to fill in your address details. This includes your city, address, province, and postal code. This information is essential for the verification purposes. Once completed, move to the next section. So far, we have completed 2 steps: personal information and address details. Now, let's move on to the final step before account verification. Next, you will take appropriateness test. This test ensures that you are ready to start trading in the live market. Make sure that you answer all the questions carefully. Finally, confirm that you meet legal trading range requirement, then click continue. Now that you have filled all your personal information, there's just one final step: account verification, that is remaining. To verify your account, go to the sign up menu and click verify account. You'll have 2 options for verification: automatic verification and manual verification. With automatic verification, simply enter your ID number, check the inbox to confirm, and click submit. Your verification will be processed almost instantly. With manual verification, you need to upload your identification document manually or send them via email. Once your verification is complete, you'll see confirmation message: congratulations, your MyHF account is now fully approved. Click done, and now you are all set. That is it. You have successfully set up your MyHF trading account. Now, you have a variety of types of accounts to choose from, right from premium, ascent, zero, and many more. In the next video, we'll break down on how to deposit money to my HF account. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and click notification so that you'll be updated anytime I'll be uploading the next video. See you then.